All right, welcome back, everybody. And anybody that's new here, thanks for joining me. Today, I'm going to do something really simple, and everybody knows that this is a thing I do all the time. It's kind of an addiction. I'm going pan fishing. Not necessarily chasing freaks of the earth. I do have chances of catching them, but I'm actually going to look for some more food. So if you guys know me, if you've been around a while, I don't keep a bunch of fish. And as of lately, I've been struggling to get food. So, hopefully today I get out, because all I'm going to do today is I'm going to keep it really simple. I took my Apex Elite, which is normally like a walleye rod or something like that. It's a pretty stiff rod. And I stuck a slip bobber on it because I can use that for bringing up a lot of line when I'm slip bobber fishing for crappie and stuff like that in a little bit deeper water. That's something that I'm going to try today. I have my Apex, my standard Apex. That's my panfish rod. That's a 7.2 light. I'm going to use that probably for mainly casting today, unless I find some bluegills or something like that in some shallower water. And then that rod I really like for shooting out bobbers without weights and stuff like that, because it's got 4-pound test. The other one's got 6-pound on it right now. But with the 4-pound test, you can really cast a light bait and a light bobber really far away. So like when you're fishing shallow water, you don't want to be on top of fish. So hopefully, if you guys are seeing this, I finally got some of those fish. Okay, hopefully I can start with this. There seems to be slime everywhere. Ugh. Well, hopefully there's fish in the slime. Running fish over. That's never good. There's one. I actually saw that guy eat. I can totally sight fish these guys. Oh! Pull and drag. Alright. That's a good start. Alright, let's get some water in my valve out here and get going. This is going to be awesome. Okay, that's one. It's probably like 11 and a half, maybe 12. I'm going to keep like 10 of these guys. Using the crappie scrub again, so like always, I'll link it in the description so you guys can help out, but get you some. That was a crappie. Came to the surface like a bass. Turn and burn, turn and burn. That's two. Wonder what that is.
pike. Decent sized northern pike. 4-pound test. Come here. 26 and a half. That's less than that. There's one. Get in there. Success! You hook one of those carp? I did that the other day and I chased them around the whole thing and I finally just straightened my hook out.
I never saw him yet.
Oh. Yeah, I had like a 30-pounder on.
I think it's an area.
Yeah. That one I just got was 26 inches.
What's the legal size on this thing?
32. Yeah, they got a trophy limit out here. There's a lot of big ones out here though. You got a net?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little one.
I got a bigger net if you need it. You get another one on? You can't write this kind of comedy. What's on that one? And is it another big fish or just a little one? How come reeling him in?
We're on the back here, let's pull this son of a bitch in.
Yeah, that would have sucked. That's funny. Oh god, this feels like a really big one too.
Oh, my life.
Oh, he came off. Or no, he broke it off after the bobber.
Yeah, that's it.
That was definitely a big fish. That one, I think that was a northern because it shot off.
Well, if he is a legal northern, I'd probably keep him.
Yeah.
Because that'd probably be the biggest one I ever caught in my life.
There's some big ones out here. I've seen a couple of 40s on the other end. Easy. I got a long reach on this. So.
Coming right out here. I saw the bobber. Here's the bobber.
Yeah. I'm just going to try and keep him out of my trolling motor there.
I'll try to lift him up right now. See what he is.
Yeah, it's a big pike. Oh.
Oh, he's no 32.
No, he probably 28. on. Where are you?
Oh, come on up. There he comes.
Where's that head?
Come.
There you go. You might be.
You have a ruler?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I don't want to kill him. I mean, if he's going back, he's going back.
Here, let's see. Well, I got the one right here, so that's a special one. He's exactly 32.
All right.
You want him?
Yeah, I'll keep him.
All right.
Just bring a little bowl over here.
All right. That's a heavy one too.
I haven't eaten a northern in a long time, but man, we see a lot of them.
Yeah, I just pickled one last year or the year before that for the first time in God knows how long, since I was a little kid. Here, you want this side?
Hey, why don't you just put them in the boat? All right. Otherwise,
ready?
yeah, go ahead. You're sure it's 32, right?
Oh yeah. No, I got it perfectly flat. He was actually over, but I pulled him all the way out to 32 just to make sure.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, no
My
problem.
name's Ray.
Dave.
Oh, we shouldn't shake hands.
Oh, right. I keep forgetting about that. I had my buddy yell at me the other day. He was like, "Don't touch me." I was like, "Okay."
Well, I want to take that one home. I'm done.
Yeah, no, that's a good idea.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna end it on that right there, because that was some crazy stuff. I sat there and watched that guy fight that fish forever, and I kind of felt like he needed some help. So I'm glad I was able to get over there and net that fish for him. Big 32-inch fat pike. He was taking it home because it was legal to keep. I probably would have kept it myself because I want some pickled pike. Stay tuned for those videos. If you guys want to see me go out northern pike fishing, if I do it, it's probably going to be so I can go get some to eat. So if you want to see me do that, comment below. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Obviously, if you're not new here, you know what's up. But if you are new, can you please just remember to